Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sign up for the newsletter in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button, and if you scroll down at the more section, click on the join Flighty insiders button. So here you can sign up for the application's newsletter and receive important and useful informations. So for that you have to give your email address, and if you have any interests or a specific theme that you want to hear on, then just type that, and then you have to confirm you're not a robot, and then just click on the subscription button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.